everyone, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I think I'm going to do like 3 or 4 possibly videos. I'm going to be popping them out, so don't be surprised. But this is one of the ones I've been dying to do. So I bought some stuff from BeautynetKorea. Yes, BeautynetKorea. So I did cut it open because it's like easier to do that off camera, but we're going to go through here and see what I got. I didn't actually get a huge variety and I didn't get a lot, but I got a few things that I wanted, new things that I wanted, and I bought 1 or 2 products for you guys to give away as like a giveaway. So yes, let's go through here to see what I got. So my New Year's resolution this year was to do something new with makeup. So usually for my eyeliner it's usually black eyeliner or I go for blue. But I started experimenting more this year, so I started doing all purple, and now I'm going to be doing brown. So let's see what I got. I think I got like 9 or 10 items. I didn't get a lot, so I'm really good about saving money. Okay, so Bbia Eglips is one of my favorite brands, so I did get a product from them. This is their Ultra Auto Gel Liner in number Q1. I'm Queen. So these are all browns. I believe they're all browns. Let's see. Yes. Oh, it has like a little, I don't know if you can see it. It has like a crown. So cute. So this one, it looks like a bluish purple, I think. Bluish purple. It looks pretty dark. Let's see how it looks. It's pretty dark actually. I'm quite shocked. It looks more like a burgundy because see, it's like a purple on the bottom here, but it's actually blue. It's a good brown, dark brown, and it does show up on my skin, which is good. So that's good. Let's see what's the next one here. This is the Luxe Gel Eyeliner in number 2 dark brown. By the way, they have the ingredient list on here, guys. It's so small. Like, look at that. It's only like 10 items on the ingredient list, which is actually pretty impressive. I love it when they have the ingredient list on it. So this is a dark brown actually, but it's lighter than the first one. So yeah, but it's still really nice. I actually kind of like this colour a little bit more than the first. I guess I'm going for a dark brown, but not as dark as the first one. That's kind of what I'm kind of going for. I think it's to give you a softer look. So yes. Right, so let's still got here. This is the this is the Luxe Gel Eyeliner that I just showed you. I'm giving one away to you guys for the giveaway. So if you're interested in it, leave a comment in the description box below. So first come, first serve. So I'm saving this for you. And let's see what else I got here. Okay, so this is the Bbia Eglips Auto Gel Eyeliner number 20 in Jazz. Yeah. Oh, okay, I got it. It's like struggling with it for a moment. Okay, so this is cute. Okay, so all the ones that I got are still gel liners because I'm lazy and I just don't like to sharpen liner. So let's see what colour I got here. So this one is a little different. It's also a dark brown, but I feel like it's got maybe a slight hint of glitter. Like, it wouldn't be noticeable, but I just feel like there's a slight sheen to it, the colour. So it's the third one here. Let me walk out a little bit further so you can see better. There we go. So yes, that one. Okay, let's see. What's the next one here? I've got... Alright, so this is the Bbia Eglips Auto Gel Liner in a V1 Brownie. So brownie. And this is, let's see, this is a different one actually, so the packaging's different than the other one I just did. So let's see, it's so cute. It's got like light blue top and the bottom here. It's really weird how it could be one colour but have a totally different like appearance on the bottom. It's a lighter brown. It's the lightest brown out of all of the ones that I've swatched so far, so it does add a much softer look. So I think this will be quite nice. I think this will be a favourite of mine too. It does kind of remind me of brownies. Okay, so the next one is the okay, so I didn't realise I got 3 from Rire. So this is the Luxe Gel Liner eyeliner again, except for this one is in number 3 Choco Brown. So, Choco. I use that word a lot, Choco. Whenever I'm getting chocolate milk out of the refrigerator, I'm always like, oh, it's my Choco. And so, got here is the, let's see. How is this one? Is it different? I think it is. I think they are different. I think we've got several different shades. Yes, I did. Okay, so this one here. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so this one's lighter than so far all of the others. Yeah, it's lighter. So I like it though. I like it too. It's quite fascinating that I'm actually interested in the light browns, which I thought I'd only like the dark ones. But I think I'm going for something different than black. So if it's too dark, I guess I won't like it. Okay, let's see what else I got here. This is the G9 Skin First Auto Gel Eyeliner. In what shade is it? Number 3 Choco Brown. G9 Skin is actually a new brand, I believe, because I started seeing it everywhere lately, but I'd never heard of it before until recently. So let's see if I can actually open this. Can I open it? Something's like vibrating. I think it's my cell phone. Let's see. I can't open this. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to open this like off camera. Okay, I finally got it. It had that like plastic wrapping on around it and it was really, really hard. Okay, let's see how this one is. This one is so soft. Wow, it's softer than the others. It's like butter. Okay, so this is Choco Brown. So this is it right here. Oh, it's really, really soft. I really, really like the texture a lot. Right, let's see. Next one I've got is... Oh, okay, I did get 1 or 2 lippy sticks. I've been trying not to buy lipsticks. I have so much of it. I think I have like an addiction to lipstick. Okay, so this is the Oops Two-Tone Lip Bar Milk in Red by Berry Sim. I don't really like the Berry Sim lip tattoos, like the peel-off ones, but I did want to try this because the colour is like looks really good when I was looking at it on the site. So let's see how it looks. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, so this is the packaging for it. Okay, so it's one of those, does it twist? I'm not sure. Okay, it does twist. That was a good wording. Okay, so it's like red and white. It's the colour I chose. So let's see. So the red is here. The white. Okay, it's actually white. Oh my gosh. And so together. Ah, I see how it works. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is the red by itself right here. This is the white, and then this is the two colors mixed together. You can actually see the white line. Do you see on my wrist, my forearm, my forearm right here? So this is what they look like together. It's kind of like I feel like it's got pink, like a kind of a red with a bit of hints of pink in it. Now that's actually quite nice. So this is my first two-tone product. I've actually never used a two-tone product, but they're becoming, I guess they've been actually quite popular in Korea for a little while. So yes, okay, I think it's almost empty, but there's a little bit more here. Oh, they gave me a freebie, so I got the Professional Hair and Pure Lulu Professional Hair and Pure by BeautynetKorea. They gave it to me for free. I love these things, so I will definitely use it. And the last two are, okay, I think another one of these is actually, another one of these is going to be the giveaway. So I'm giving away 2 eyeliners for the giveaway. This is the, so the second item for the giveaway is the First Auto Gel Eyeliner by G9 Skin Choco Brown. So you get this one and the other one for the giveaway. So there's 2, so I won't touch it. It's still sealed and wrapped for you guys. Okay, so the last one that I purchased is the G9 Skin First Auto Gel Eyeliner in number 9 Star Blue. Okay, let's see. This might have to be opened off camera too because it's like really hard when it has that plastic wrapping all around it. Let's see. Okay, yes. Wait, no, I got it. Oh my gosh, I got it. I finally got it. Okay, let's see. Actually was able to do it. Okay. Oh, it's such a challenge. Okay, got it. Okay, let's see. This colour is it really blue? I don't feel like it's, I guess it is. I can see a hint of blue. Just up a bit more. So yeah, it is blue, but it's got like, it's a really dark blue. It's really soft. All of these are very soft. So this is the blue color. I quite like it actually. It's really soft. It's really dark. So I'm shocked I got a blue liner. I kept telling myself, because I have 5 or 6 blue liners, so I kept telling myself I'm not going to buy another one, but I ended up buying it, as you can see. Yeah, I actually, that's everything. I placed this order for BeautynetKorea a while ago, you guys. I've been meaning to do this video, and I got so busy with New Year's and the holiday, and I just didn't do it. So I've actually had this for like a month sitting there, and I was like, I'm going to do this. Maybe longer than that, actually. Yeah, so yes, I actually forgot what's in it, but these are all the colors all together. So yes, I'm quite happy with it, but it's interesting, the white and stuff. So yeah, this my lipstick is similar to the lip color that I got. I decided to test out how smudge proof they are. So as you can see, I'm trying to smudge it with a napkin, and they are not budging, so they are very smudge proof. So these are good quality liners. Okay, so that is everything in this unboxing. So don't forget, if you want the 2 free eyeliners, Korean gel liners for the giveaway, definitely leave a comment down below. So these gel liners are really nice. I definitely recommend gel liners because I feel like they're a little bit better on longevity, and they are in a pencil form, so they are easier to use, but I just prefer gel liner because it's softer and it's just a little bit, when a liner is too harsh, I feel like it will cut the eyes. So I definitely like gel liners, and I feel like overall they're just darker. So definitely I recommend gel liners if you have not tried them. So that is the end of this video. Don't forget, if you're interested in the giveaway, send a message in the comment section below. And yes, that's it. So I'm going to end this video. I'm going to be popping up another video very soon. I went shopping in K-Town, so I'm going to be showing you guys my purchases. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys, and until next time, ciao.